how to enable or disable open links in apps on Samsung Galaxy phones. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. So, to enable or disable open links in apps, you'll need to open up your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. And here you'll see choose default apps. Tap on it and then scroll to the bottom. There you'll find opening links. Tap on it and you can see open links in app. So it is toggled on. So if it is toggled on, then links will be open in apps even if they are not installed. So you can just toggle it off if you want to disable it, or if you want to just keep enabling it, then you can toggle it on. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.